Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. So students, in your subject Social Studies, we were doing chapter 11, our water resources. And do you remember what we have studied till now? We studied about multi-purpose projects in our last video lesson. Damodar Valley project and Sardar Sarovar Dam, Bhakra Nagal Dam, right? So let us move further. Take out your textbooks. So which is our next topic? Underground water. Underground means the water which is under the ground. How can we use that water? We had already completed one topic in this, which was about wells. Wells are used since ancient times to draw the water, right? Now, our next topic is about tube wells. What is tube wells, children? At times, the underground water or water table level. What is water table level? Same as underground water. At times, the underground water is very low. It cannot be reached by digging a well. Kabhi-kabhi the level of water is so low that you cannot use that by digging a well. And in such cases, machines are used. What are used in such cases? Machines. And water is made available with the help of electric pumps. Machines are used and with the help of electric pumps, the water is used. Underline. Tubes are laid and water is brought to the surface. Laid means ऐसे उनको रखा जाता है. Can you see in the picture? The tubes are laid and the water is brought to the surface. Through the surface with the help of a motor. Now these tubes need the help of a motor. Tube wells are used in, remember this point is very important, in which states tubes are used? Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. Easy to remember. In these states tube wells are mostly used. Then moving further to page 73. Tanks and ponds. Now, have you ever seen tanks and ponds? Let us see. In the southern plateau, tanks and ponds are popular ways. In the southern plateau, tanks and ponds are very popular. Why? To store the rainwater. Okay? To store the rainwater. Wells cannot be dug here because the ground is very hard. Like in many areas wells are dug, but here wells cannot be dug. Why? Because the ground is very hard. जो वहाँ का ground है वो बहुत hard होता है. So we cannot dig the wells. The rainwater fills up low-lying areas. When rain comes, rainwater fills the low-lying areas. And these areas are called tanks or ponds. Okay. This type of irrigation is called tank irrigation. इस type के irrigation को क्या बोलते हैं? Tank irrigation. You can see the picture of tank irrigation in your textbook. Now, at home we need clean water for cooking, drinking, washing and bathing. From morning to night in all our activities we need water. Cooking, drinking, washing clothes or utensils and bathing. We get water supply through taps. आपके घर में पानी कैसे आता है? You open the tap and you get the water supply through taps. In villages, now villages में कैसे पानी आता है? People get water through tanks, ponds, which we studied now. Tanks, ponds, wells. Wells also we studied, जो कुआं होता है. And even hand pumps. These are the sources in which villages get water. tanks, ponds, wells and hand pumps. Hand pump means, hand means our hand. So they have to work hard to get water through hand pumps. Hand pumps are used to take out underground water. Hand pumps क्यों use होते हैं? जो पानी underground है, to take out that water. So for the revision of this topic, I'll show you a short video. See children, this is a picture of tube well, and see how people get water from tube well. The tube is laid and water reaches to the surface with the help of motor. When tube wells are used, when the level of the underground water is very low, okay, so tube wells are used. And after tube wells, what we studied in the topic of our underground water, see, tanks and ponds. This is the process. When rain comes, the rainwater gets collected in the low-lying areas called tanks and ponds. In this way, tanks and ponds are used. See, when they are used, when rain comes, so the rainwater can be stored. Then, why do we need water? We need water for cooking, drinking, washing and bathing. So, see, in villages how do people get water? Tanks, ponds, well and hand pump. This is the hand pump. Okay children, I hope you have understood this topic. Now what is your homework? See, here you are having 2 blanks that you have to read and answer. You have to read the new words of the chapter, and also you have a MCQ on page number 72. Where we started underground water, just above that you have an MCQ that also you have to do. Okay, so that's all for today. We will meet in the next video lesson. Till then, take care, keep smiling. God bless you.